What's going on, guys? I'm sitting out here on the 4020. A little cooler out here, and I wanted it to be, but what can you say? It is January. But I was sitting in the house, and I thought it was kind of nice out here. I wanted to come out here and tinker with this thing a little bit. I had said something in an earlier video that I don't think anybody could hear, because I said it when the tractor was running, but it doesn't like to shift in the road gear and some of the taller gears. I think 7th is out. 6th or 7th, I can't remember which one, but one of the taller gears is out. Not out, it just doesn't like to go in it. I think the linkages and stuff is wore out. So I think I'm going to tear that side cover off and see what I got going on under there and access that and see if that's got anything to do with it, which it probably is. This tractor's wore in pretty good. It really just needs a good old overhaul, but we'll get to that at a later date. Sorry if I'm shaking. A little breeze is kind of cool. Well, I'm going to move it down here out of this mud, because I don't really care to stand in none of that stuff. It rained out there pretty good last night. Let's see if she'll crank up. It's colder than I thought it was going to be out here. Like I said, it might be a little cranky, but we'll see what it does. Might not do anything at all. Old battery wasn't happy. I don't know if you noticed, I put the muffler back on it too. Let it warm up for a minute, and I'll show you what I was talking about with the shifting. Probably one of them ordeals where it's going to go in every gear I put it in. Be back with y'all in a minute as soon as it gets warmed up. I'm going to put this phone down. There. Alright, took it that time. What I tell you, fate takes, it's going to do exactly what I said it was going to do. It'll act up once it warms up some. I would would take it for a spin, but like I said, it's awfully muddy out here. I'm just gonna move it down there closer to the truck where my tools are. And we'll take this side cover off and see what we got. That's another thing I might take care of. That's the kill switch, where I can idle it all the way down and I have to worry about bumping it and killing it like that. Because I don't have the knob on it. It needs the knob. But anyways, stand by. I'm going to take this side cover off and see what we got going on down here. Alright. Let's see what we're working with here. Look like I need that extension. I just kind of had it to help get the socket out. Jesus. I'm about to scratch my paint, y'all see that? Ew. Where's my camera at? There it is. We're gonna focus on that? Probably not. That's yeah, that's pretty right there. Yep, sure is. On to the next side. God almighty. They didn't want that going anywhere. I'm not sure that's supposed to be in there. sheet metal screw. I guess technically this is sheet metal, but that ain't what come out of the other side at least. Simmer down. Get this off without scratching all this beautiful paint. Ta-da! Hey, dirt dauber's nest. That's always good to see. So I can get y'all in here to what I'm trying to look at here. Move this monstrosity of a tripod around that my buddy Cody let me use for the channel. Well, I got the camera in there. I don't know if I can get my big ass in there or not. Anyways, there's the shift quadrant. You got your selector there, and your range is on that side. You pull this all the way down like that. Let's see. I think I got them up there far enough I can see what I'm looking at. I'm gonna move this camera out of the way and see what's going on inside there, and I'll be back with y'all in a minute. See if y'all can see this. It's I don't guess it's too bad, but well, no, it is pretty bad. It don't look that bad up here, but get down there on the other end of it. I believe it's a little bit of play right there. What y'all think? You can get, now if I remember correctly, I was doing a little bit of research on this last night, but you can get these pins, and that one really does look like it needs to be replaced because it looks pretty walled out from right here. And then this right here goes all the way through. It's got a bushing through it. Now I don't know if y'all can see that moving on camera, but it's moving a pretty good bit. But anyways, I think I can get me a kit for it. Put it in here and try to get some of that play freed up. Elvis, I'm gonna take this right here. It's just, I wouldn't think you should be able to do that, but I'm not sure. I'm not familiar with these tractors a whole hell of a lot. This one under here don't seem too bad. Yeah, okay, maybe it is. See, there's that. Do me some part searching and see. Come on, phone. Focus. Hello. Hello. There you go. I'll do me some searching around. Might see if I can get me a catalog for this thing, get me some part numbers and stuff. and address this, because I would like to have all of my forward gears. So we'll run a rake behind this thing, and I'm sure it's going to come down to it. I'm going to have to get it out on the highway and run it in road gear, and it does not like to go in road gear. And I think that right there, that's 1/8 right there. You see how much play? Well, it ain't much up here, but it's enough. Down here's where I'm trying to do this with a phone and work everything. There you go. Look at all that play right there. Ain't that magnificent? But anyways, I'll do some searching around and see if I can't find some parts, part numbers, whatever, what have you. And we'll replace them and go along through that route there and see what it does for it. And then while doing that, I might go ahead, because it needs to be done anyway, and replace them bushings in that coupler right there. I've got the bushings, I just haven't replaced them yet. That's what the first video that this tractor was in, all that knocking and rattling you heard, was them bushings are out in that pump coupler right there. And then possibly an oil change. It probably wouldn't hurt to have an oil change, and I haven't changed it since I've had the tractor, but also haven't run it all that much. So get that taken care of, and these little boots in here, that one's leaking pretty good. That one's fine. That one looks fine. That one's got a little leak on it. I think the clip's off of it. Yeah, clip ain't even on that one. I need to change them boots out. I need to change them bushings out. Need to change this whole general area out. But anyways, that's at a later date, like I said. Run it while it runs. It runs good. I'm really happy with that injector pump work that I had done. It cleared it out pretty good. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. I'll get some part numbers going here and do some researching and see what I can come up with, and see if I can't get some stuff to take a slack out of them linkages there. But until then, I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Changed my muffler flaps around. That other one would drive me crazy. It's crooked.